3 weeks ago, I ordered seed, and the problem is I honestly don't remember what I ordered. So you and I are going to sit down, and together we're going to open this package and see what the 3 weeks ago Kelly thought the present day Kelly needed for the garden. And then we're going to check out the ollas in the farm, and we'll go check out the raised beds because gardening season is happening. I vaguely remember looking at the seeds for flowers and maybe vegetables. Beyond that, I just really don't know. So could be anything. Oh, okay. Oh, this is a free seed. Bonus. That's what I like about Baker Creek Seeds is you order them and you order a certain amount and then they give you free seed packets. So yay, tomatoes. I like that. And okay, another free seed. Lettuce. Landis winter lettuce. Need to get that in. Okay. Well, this is one I have not grown before. This is an aster. So pretty. And this will go in the middle garden with the cottage garden theme going there. Yeah, I was a little flower happy. Canterbury bells. That's really pretty. And that's going to give some tall spikes of long-lasting bell-shaped flowers in the middle garden and possibly the raised beds. Now I'm a little bit nervous about what I ordered next. Okay, so I also thought I needed tomatoes. But I like the smaller tomatoes, the bite-sized tomatoes. I snack on them in the garden, so this is going in the farm and excited, love tomatoes. Oh yeah, I'm loving the snapdragons that I have in the garden right now, and I ordered some more. So middle garden, possibly raised beds or a combination. Okay, and some mullein. It'll go good in the middle garden, good in poor soil. So I have options there of where I can put it. And yet again, tomatoes. So I guess I am on a tomato craze this year. And another bite-size-ish tomato. This makes sense because I am out of dill. And I do love dill in the garden, both to use culinary-wise and to use ornamentally. The yellow flowers on dill, really pretty. Okay, yeah, I like these. Good choice, Kelly. Rebecca. That will go in maybe the raised beds, possibly the middle garden. So I did good. The 3 weeks ago, Kelly did really good on this order. I'm excited to get these started. They're all heirloom seeds, so you can collect seeds and grow your own off of the seeds you collect, so perfect. Since these are things that I need to plant soon, let's go check out the ollas and see how they're actually doing. So we'll just take a look at those ollas, take a peek inside, see how they're holding water, and the plants are doing really well. Happy about that. We did get some rain, so I'm not sure, honestly, if this is a good chance to do a follow-up on the ollas because I think we need to go through some time where we haven't gotten natural rainfall. So then I can gauge them a little bit better. But the plants look all healthy in here. I do need to get in here today and cut back some of this alyssum that's just kind of overtaking. It can be a bully sometimes. So I do need to cut this back, but the spinach is healthy, the lettuce is healthy, everything looks really good. And so I'm going to continue with the ollas and continue filling those every couple of days, checking them and the water level, and hopefully those are going to be a great addition to the garden. I'll keep you informed. It's been a great cool season weather crop this year, and I'm really happy about that. Everything's grown really good, and if you didn't check out the video about planting up the farm go through the videos and you can see that and see what I planted. I harvested carrots this year and they were so much better than the year previously. Really excited about that, and I'm going to plant some more carrot seeds today too. Okay, let's go look at the raised beds and see how they're doing. Springtime is upon us, and honestly, I think it's spring here in California, so let's go take a look at the raised beds. So I have daffodils up in the beds. The bulbs are coming up. They're looking really good. This is the first raised bed, and we'll go around and check out the other ones as well. I'll zoom in so you can get a closer look at the beds because they're really pretty. A lot of bulbs are coming up in the raised beds. It's looking good. They're doing their job. You can see the daffodils are up in the two beds that I planted them in, and lots of other various things growing here. I've got some toadflax mixed in. Really pretty. I love toadflax and it grows so well here. Such a pretty, pretty flower for the garden, and easy, so easy. And then I've got a beautiful tulip that's up. I'm going to show you that. So flip you around here. Look at that. Isn't she pretty? Such a pretty, and I got the bulbs, if you remember from the video that I did of the Brex unboxing bulbs. This is one, and yeah, that is a tulip, believe it or not. Isn't it gorgeous? And I have various other bulbs up here. You see different kinds of daffodils around my garden, and so pretty. So low ground hugging, but so pretty. Really enjoying that. And then I have some freesias, not in the beds, but in right here in front I have some, and throughout the garden. The bulbs are really coming up, and some of the freesias have actually opened up and they're looking really good. And look at this hyacinth. Isn't that a pretty color? So gorgeous. I'm loving that. And it's just lots of Asiatic lilies here on the two corners. Really pretty. And then right over there. And yeah, just beautiful. I'm just really enjoying this springtime already here in California. And here's some poppies that are going to be hopefully budding up pretty soon. I had early buds last year, so we'll see. But things are looking really good. I have some tulips that are just emerging, as you can see. And then the hyacinths. I love this color. It's really pretty. The sun is wicked today. Oh my gosh, it's so sunny, so bright. So some of those flower seeds that I got, good job, Kelly. Good job, Past Kelly. I can get those planted in the beds and to complement and help these beds just be really pretty throughout the whole growing season. It's going to be great. Raised beds, they're looking all really good. Very happy about the way they've turned out so far. And there'll be more color as more bulbs come up. So really pretty. Just got to think about what I'm going to add to complement these bulbs. Gorgeous day. Oh my gosh, gorgeous day. And here's a look at the far side garden raised bed. And it sits off by itself and often gets neglected in the videos. So here you go, because it's looking really good and it deserves to be shown. And these osteospermums they're just looking absolutely gorgeous right now. So they deserve a spotlight. So here you go. The other raised bed that often gets neglected. Now tell me, have you ordered seeds before and forgot what you ordered? Drop a comment below and tell me all about it. I'd love to hear what you ordered and what the big surprise was. Now get out there and garden your hearts out.